Hi everyone, welcome to Biology for NEET. Today's topic is human skeletal system. Now we are going to learn about our skeletal system. You know here the movement and locomotion. When you want to move somewhere, we need some energy to move there. That movement that brings out by the muscle as well as the bone, right? So here we have a skeletal system. You have a proper skeletal system is there. That's the reason we are standing erect. We have it. It gives the mechanical support. So generally skeletal system which is made up of bone and cartilage. Bone and cartilage. Generally this bone which is this is a hard one which is having the calcium salts and cartilage does have chondroitin salt. What is chondroitin salt? So here that's the reason bone we consider as the hardest connective tissue. Bone and cartilage undergoes the connective tissue, right? So that the skeletal system can be divided into two, which is the external skeletal system and internal skeletal system. The skin, fur and feathers, scales, these are all undercomes the category of exoskeleton. Then endoskeleton, which is made up of the bone and cartilage. You know that it's mainly the bone or the skeletal system which specialized it serves for the movement and locomotion. So here newborn human means newborn children or the baby that have 213 bones. Newborn human 213 bones. Whereas the adult we have a 206 bones. 206 bones means during development few bones are fused and that number make into 206. Got it? So here the bone forming cells called as the osteoblast. Bone forming cells called as the osteoblast and bone dissolving cells called as the osteoclast, right? And whereas the cartilage tissue they have a chondroitin salt. So here chondroitin is a salt present in the cartilage. How that bone forming cells are the osteocytes, like that cartilage forming cells are the chondroblast and cartilage cell dissolving cells called as chondroclast. Osteoblast and osteoclast. Bone forming cells, bone dissolving cells, right? Now here see, human skeletal system can be divided into two categories. First one is the axial skeletal system, which all the components which present in the mid longitudinal way of our body, which are the skull and ventral side vertebral column and dorsal side vertebral column and ventral side have a sternum bone and ribs. These together undercomes the axial skeletal system. Out of 206 bones, 80 bones comprises the axial skeletal system. So here ventral side sternum is there and dorsal side have a vertebral column is there. And appendicular skeleton means what that median or the mid longitudinal section axial skeletal system is there. That perpendicular that remaining undercomes the appendicular skeletal system, which are the two girdles, bones and limbs undercomes the appendicular skeletal system. Now here see axial skeletal system. First one is skull. We are going to discuss about the skull. Completely I have to take it now. Now the skull have 29 bones. which means face and cranium. The face have a facial bones. Facial bones are the 14 and cranial bone, forehead 2 or where the head is there, these are 8 bones. We have 2 ears. Each ear have a 3 plus 3, 6 bones are the equal to the ear ossicles. And hyoid bone is there, which is present below the pharynx, above the larynx, right? See, hyoid bone is the only one, the bone which is not articulated with the any other bone, that is known as the hyoid bone only. That is the only one of the bone, hyoid bone, should not articulate with the any other bone, that is the hyoid bone, which is undercomes the skull only, right? And here vertebral column, it consists of the 26 bones, which are the vertebrae. They are present in the dorsal side. They connect with the ribs. Ribs are the tall pies. Ventrally they connected with the sternum. Dorsally they connect with the vertebral column. These are the 24. And one is the breastbone. Sternum is present here. Now comes to the here appendicular skeletal system. These are the 126. Axial are the 80. These 126. Among 126 here, girdle bones are 6. Girdle bones are 6, which you already know. We call as the pectoral girdle and pelvic girdle. Pectoral girdle and pelvic girdle. Pectoral girdle have only 4 bones, whereas the pelvic have 2 bones. These two together 6, and remaining there that's the 120 limbs. We have a 4 limbs and hind limbs. 4 limbs, each hand have a 30 bones, 30 plus 30, 60, and whereas the hind limbs of the legs have same as it is 30 plus 30, 60. Then 60 plus 60, 120 plus girdles are the 6, together 126. 126 plus 80, these together 206 bones. Our skeletal system consists of the 206 bones, right? See here, in this axial skeleton and appendicular skeleton, these two together all give the framework of our body and support and mechanical strength. This all provided by the skeletal system only. Thank you.